What's up guys, it's Kat, welcome back. This morning I woke up at probably like 7ish and I went to make coffee. I realized I didn't have any creamer left. So I decided to drive to Dunkin'. I literally never do that. But this time I was like, you know what, I don't have any creamer. The Dunkin' is now like a 2-minute drive from my place, so it's really convenient. So I just drove down there. I did get a medium instead of a small, and I feel like it's gonna be a lot to handle. And I've just kind of been sitting here on my couch doing a little bit of video planning for some videos that I'll be filming. So right now I actually want to go get ready a little bit, put some makeup on, and then clean up a little bit. There's literally not much to do, I'll be honest. I'll show you what I'm working with right now. I wasn't feeling so well, so I have some tissues, my Dunkin', I also got a bagel, keys, also have the office on while I'm doing work, and then just my computer. So it's really not that messy at all. And then this is the candle that I just put y'all on. Oh, I want to show you the new plants I got. These little like pink tulips are actually just from the Dollar Tree, and I feel like they look really cute and like add a little bit of pop of color. My friend's mom was getting rid of these chairs, and they're like, I think they're really nice. They're really pretty. I am gonna get a tablecloth because they don't match. So obviously, you know, I need it to not look like that. And today, hopefully we're gonna get rid of the ladder. I also have to go through all of this stuff and organize it. So today's my mom's birthday, and tonight her and my stepdad and my sisters are coming over for like a little dinner party, and I'm hosting. I'm so excited. I have her like part of her little gifts over here. She's like obsessed with these like little pajama sets. So it's a pajama dress type thing with a matching robe, and then little candle. And then these are her favorite chocolates. And then this is like a manicure and pedicure to her favorite like nail salon spa type place. And then she really wanted a ring for me and my sisters. So we got her a ring with all 3 of our birthstones on it, but it's not gonna come in time. It'll be here sometime next week. So won't be able to give it to her today, but I'm excited for that. We're now on my like big DSLR camera because my other camera died and is charging. I did my makeup real quick, and now I just want to do a 10-minute tidy. I've talked about this before on my channel, and I love doing it just so I can get my phone. I'm not really in a rush right now, and I do have a little bit more cleaning, so we're gonna do 15 minutes. A 15-minute tidy. Go. I'll be honest, I feel like I never truly understood the power of rushing yourself to finish a task by the time an alarm goes off. I don't know why I never really tried it. I always figured it wouldn't really help that much, but I've recently been trying it out, and I swear it actually does make a huge difference. It makes it feel kind of like a game. So if you haven't tried it out, I definitely recommend, whether it's with cleaning or homework or studying or just regular work, whatever it is, set an alarm and try and race yourself, because you'll be amazed at how much more motivated and productive you are during that time. There's my alarm. So I'm not just gonna like stop right now. I am going to obviously move the chair back, but then we'll move on to our next activity because that was 15 minutes. Outfit of the morning, just wearing this little tank top that I actually got yesterday from TJ Maxx. I really like it. And then these leggings are from TJ Maxx as well. And then just my Steve Madden shoes that I've been wearing like every day for the past year and a half. So now I'm actually going to meet my dad and sister for lunch. My dad recently moved a lot closer to me, and my sister actually moved in with him. So I'm really excited to go see them. It's like so much easier to see my dad now. I could just go meet them for breakfast versus he used to live like 2.5 hours away. So this is nice. It's like 70 degrees out today. It's so nice. So let's go. Hi guys, I came over to Larissa's. We should go say hi to Larissa. I just got back from lunch with my dad and sister. It was very delicious. Oh, the door's closed. Isn't this such a pretty big mirror? I think it's pretty. I feel like I've definitely said this on my channel before, but I hate drinking coffee if it's not with just like half and half. Like I don't like any flavored. So then Larissa was like, oh, all I have is the hazelnut creamer. This is actually really good. I think she might have just gotten me into hazelnut creamer. No, I'm talking to my camera. Oh. Larissa just walked out and was like, are you talking to me? No, look. Say hi. See, look, it's Larissa. But basically what I was saying is that I really actually do like this hazelnut creamer. It's just like basic, have iced coffee. I like how you always have music playing when I come over. Today is actually the next day. It's Sunday morning. The rest of yesterday, pretty much, I went to the store with my sister, got my place ready for a little surprise party for my mom's birthday, and then we had a nice little surprise party. I'll insert a couple little pictures. It was really nice, but I didn't really want to bring out my vlog camera and vlog just because it was you know, more about my mom and her birthday and everything. So that's what we did yesterday. I thought I would add on like a quick little rapid fire Q&A and answer a few of y'all's questions. Was it easy for you to become a vegetarian, and was it easy to eat healthy? Any tips? Love you too. I've been a vegetarian for like 12 years. It was difficult. I'd say it took me about a year to fully transform into not eating any meat products. For a while I didn't eat fish either. A few years ago I started eating fish occasionally, like salmon, more for health reasons, and I think that it's important to do what's right for your body and what's best for you. Got a few questions about how I met my boyfriend, how long we've been together, all of that. We met almost 6 years ago, 2013, so it'll be 6 years, and we just met through mutual friends at like a friend's house party type of thing. And fun fact, my best friend Larissa, who I saw earlier in this video, she's still dating the guy that she met at that party back 6 years ago. So I thought that was fun. How do you manage to keep a budget? I'm just curious, and also I love your videos. Thank you. Like I said, this is going to be a quick little rapid fire Q&A, so I'm not going to spend too much time on this, but I do have a few videos planned that are a little bit more about saving and budgeting and all that sort of a thing. But my number one tip I would say is to keep track of all of your purchases. And I know that that can seem difficult, especially if you buy like, you know, a $10 lunch and you're like, do I really have to track that? Keeping track of it and like having a little notebook or in your phone where you write down everything that you're purchasing and then transfer it over to an online budget is really going to help you keep yourself accountable. And I think that that's something that can help when you're starting off. But again, I'll get into a lot more tips and tricks on that in another video. Do you work out because you love it or just to be fit? XOXO, love you. Love you too. I would definitely say both, if I'm being honest. That one thing that really pushes me and motivates me to get back into it is the thought of the feeling that I have after I work out or when I've been into it for a while and I start seeing progress. And that also kind of ties in with this next question, which is how do you stay motivated for cleaning and organization and all of that? Love you always, love you too. And I would say it's kind of the same thing. If I'm not feeling it, if I don't want to clean, I think back to that feeling I have after I've just cleaned and the space looks super nice and super neat and fresh, and I imagine how great I feel when I come to that point. And 9 times out of 10, that gives me that little push and that little like burst of energy to, you know, clean or go to the gym and work out if that's what I'm trying to motivate myself on. I like this one. Do you curse off camera? Sometimes one will slip out, but for the most part, no. I don't know, it's just not really in my vocabulary, I'll be honest. And any high school advice? Love you, Kat. Love you too. I've been out of high school for 6 years now, yeah. But if I could tell myself, my high school self, one thing, honestly, I know this is the most cliche thing in the world, but it would be to stop caring so much what other people think. Not as much towards the end of high school, but for the majority of it, I feel like I was so concerned on if I looked cool and sounded cool. I definitely would recommend to anybody who's in high school or college or out of college or middle school or at any point in your life to realize the value of only caring what you think. Obviously, it's important to listen to the opinions of others when there's somebody that you respect and care about and take that into consideration. But at the end of the day, you need to be happy with yourself because you have to live with the choices you make and the things that you do. Who is your favorite singer? Mine is definitely Taylor Swift. Do you like her? As soon as I, like before I even read the mine is Taylor Swift part and I just read the who's your favorite singer part, I thought Taylor Swift. Hey, do you like coffee? P.S. I love coffee. Oh my God, she hearted my comment. Thank you so much. Yes, I do love coffee. I love coffee. Comment, if you watch until this part, comment ideas of what I can ask you to comment at the end of other videos. Ideas of what you should tell us to comment, and then give ideas of what you think I should ask you to comment. I'm sorry if that was confusing, but this is a little experiment and we're just gonna try it out and see what y'all come up with. If you wanna see more day in my life, week in my life, all those types of videos, they're here on the screen, so y'all can go check those out. As I said, I have to finish editing this video and then upload this video so it can be up for y'all today, so I'm gonna head out and go do that. But I love y'all. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.